This year, inspired on our manga series Riko-chan, we wanted our IEEE Day workshop to contemplate one of our stories.
And that's how we thought about joining Riko-chan and the power of wind together in a hands-on activity.
The structure will be made with cardboard, construction paper, and 4 pencils. For the generator part, you need a small motor, an eraser, and an LED. And of course, some glue. We'll be using both a glue stick and super glue. We also recommend having a utility knife, scissors, and a compass or something to make a circle. The 4 templates we need on this project are listed below. After printing them, cut them out, glue them onto the cardboard, and when they dry, we'll poke holes in the circles and cut out the space inside the half moons. While we wait for them to dry though, we'll sharpen both ends of a small pencil. Remember, this should be smaller than our 3 other pencils because it will be our turbine's axis, the center. The best motor for this project is one that runs between 3 and 6 volts. To test it, just touch the LED wires to the motor terminals, spin the motor with your fingers and check if the LED lights up. And also remember, LEDs have polarity. If it doesn't light up, just flip the connections and test again. No worries, it won't burn if you switch it. Now we'll need a little wheel. We'll make it from an eraser. First, mark a circle, cut it out carefully with a utility knife and smooth the edges on paper so it turns into an even circle. With your wheel ready, we'll now fit it into the motor and make sure both are spinning together. Now we'll cut out 5 cardboard pieces. Those will be the blades of our rotor. After cutting out the inside of the half moons, glue them onto the cardboard circles and poke a pencil through both of them. Since our rotor is ready, we'll now grab the next template, or base, and the 3 longer pencils. Those will act as our columns. Glue them upright into the holes we made on the base and make sure they are taller than the pencil you're using as the axis. To assemble, now place the rotor we just made on the middle marks. Do not let it perforate all the way through the cardboard, just enough to stabilize it. Then we'll fit the top piece and adjust the height so it does just the same in this middle circle. Do not let it perforate, just make sure it spins freely between those pieces. Time to go back to the generator. We made a support with part of an eraser so the wheel can touch the cardboard and the motor can spin. Now we'll glue the motor to the support with super glue, placing the eraser wheel just under the rotor. And make sure the cardboard is lightly touching the eraser, not so lightly that it has no strength to spin, but not putting too much pressure either.
Here's the catch on this turbine. When the rotor spins once, the small eraser spins several times faster since it has a much smaller radius.
And that this speed is what allows the motor to generate electricity.
You can use a straw to blow or your own breath, like it's lung-powered. And if the LEDs light up when you blow, congratulations, you've just built yourself your own wind turbine.